Looking to bring your TikTok text to life with text-to-speech? In this video, I'll guide you through using TikTok's built-in text-to-speech feature on your Android device. It's a simple and fun way to add voice effects and make your videos stand out. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Clear watch and search history. To refresh your recommendations, first clear your activity history. Open the TikTok app. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the three lines at the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Activity Center. Now tap on Watch History and clear it. Go back and tap Search History, then clear that too. Solution 2. Clear TikTok cache. This helps the app restart fresh without old data. From the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Tap Clear next to Cache. Solution 3. Start interacting with new content. Now that your old preferences are clear, TikTok will start learning from scratch. Go to the For You page, like videos you enjoy, follow accounts you're interested in, tap Not Interested on videos you don't like by long pressing them and selecting it. This will quickly train the algorithm to match your new taste. And that's how you reset your TikTok For You page on Android. If this video helped, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more TikTok tips. Got questions or need help with anything else? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.